Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Yunus and I am Odoo technical developer. So in today's video we are going to talk about the search views. We have already discussed how to add search view in Odoo for a custom model. So in this video we are not going to repeat that stuff, but we will only discuss about the things that we have not already discussed. So search view basically takes three kind of elements. One is a field and filter, and the third one is group. So what is the difference between these, all of these? So we will discuss in this video. So here we have added the basic search view for this session model, and we have added two fields like name and instructor ID. Okay, so here in the search, like if we what we can enter here in the search, it will show us two options. So if I write Odoo 16 training session, so it shows me two options like name, search by name, and search by instructor. So here we can search either by name or by instructor. So if we try to search by name, it will show us only one record with this name. But here is another possibility. By adding filter, by using filter domain, we can use two or three fields to search the records, like for the same quick search. So what does this mean? So for example, we can use this name search uh, to search the records on the basis of the name and on the basis of the course. So for this purpose, we need to use a filter domain. So let me just copy this code and let me use it here. So for example, let me edit here like this. So name, like I like self. So what is self? So self means whatever is entered here in the search view is the self. Okay, so and description, so here we will replace it by course id. Course id is the technical name of the course field. I like self. So what does this mean? Like we want to filter out the records if the keyword entered in the search is either equal to the name or equal to the course. So for this purpose, let me just so for example, let me just try to search Odoo 16 technical course. So here we are trying to search on the basis of the name, which should be equal to this one. So it shows no records, because none of the technical session is name is equal to this one. So if we try to upgrade the module after this change that we have added, like filter domain, so we will be able to see the records, and it will show us the record on the basis of the name and also on the basis of the course. So let me refresh this one. Okay, sorry. Okay, refresh this one. So it is refreshed. We can add Odoo 16 technical course. So let me try to search it by name. So it shows me these two records because it is linked to Odoo 16 technical course, but the name is different. So we can also change the label here by adding string equal to like name and course. So we can add it like this. So if you try to upgrade the module, we will see this change. Okay, so let me try to upgrade it. So after the module upgrade, we will have to refresh this page. So let me try to refresh it. So Odoo. So here you can see name, search by name and course. So here we can search by Odoo 16 development. So here you can see it shows only one record because this is just linked to Odoo 16 development course. Okay, and the next thing that we need to discuss is like to add some kind of fix searches. Okay, so what we can do is like to add some kind of search that is fixed for it. So what we can do here, so we can do something like on the basis of the duration or on the basis of like number of seats. So here you just need to define like what is the domain. So like if in this case we want to add on the basis of the instructor, like so let me just try to copy this one and paste it here. So in this case, so we have already added the instructor, but that is like not the filter, but it is the field element. So here we will use the filter element and replace it by instructor, and here we will add like instructor. So if you don't add the string, it will be added automatically. So here we can add instructor ID is equal to UID. So what is UID? UID is actually the person who is currently logged in. So it will show us the record which belongs to the currently logged in user. So let me just try to upgrade the module and then let's see the result. So currently we will not be able to see any record under that search because none of the record is linked to the current logged in user. So let me just refresh this page, and if we click on the search, so you can see in instructor ID. Okay, so if we click here, it shows nothing because none of the record is linked to the currently logged in user. So here we can add a string which is like my sessions, like this. So it will just show my session if we upgrade the module. So the next thing is like group by. So what is the purpose of group by? So if we go here and if we try to add group by courses, so click apply, so we can see the records in this format. So this is we can do just using the group element. So let me just try to copy this code and add it here. So format it like this. So here we will add like group by course ID. So here it is like course, and here in the context we need to pass the field technical name, like on the basis of which we want to add the group by. Okay, so we want to add a group by courses. So let me upgrade the module and let's see the result. So currently we have to just go click here and then select the field and then add group by, but after adding it in the search view, we will have just the shortcut option to add the group by like this. So this is simple, you can do it. So the next thing is like to add some kind of search by default. So we can add something like my sessions by default here. So when we load this view, this search view should be added by default. So for this purpose, we can do it using the context and by passing the context to the action. So how we can do it? We need to use search default and then the field name. So let me just copy it, and first of all we need to find the action. So here is the action, and here we need to add the context field. Field name is equal to context, and here in the context we need to pass this search default like this. So here we need to add search default and then the field name. So the field name is actually instructor ID. Okay, like this. Okay, or if you want to add on the basis of the group by, so we can add group by, and here we need to add. Okay, so this is how simply we can do it. Or we can just add one. One means true, and then we need to upgrade the module, and let me just try to upgrade the module. Okay, and then we will have to refresh the page to see the change. Okay, so let me just try to refresh this page, and here you can see it is added by default. So if we go to the other modules and then let me try to go to the Open Academy and then go to the session, so by default it will show us the record in the group by format. So this is how simply we can add these things. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a huge thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also share with your friends. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can join our Discord group. The link of the Discord group is in the video description, so please join it and also ask for any help. Thank you.